Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a simple way to paint a big bushy tree using a mop brush. I'm going to be using a little round brush just for the tree trunk and the branches, but I want to show you how the mop brush makes the coolest looking trees and it makes the process so fun. I love using these brushes for so many things. Let's go over the colors I'm using and the canvas. I have a 16 by 20 gray primed canvas. I just painted it gray myself. Let it dry, and I have titanium white, sap green, Mars black, yellow ochre, and burnt sienna. The first thing I'm going to do is take my round brush, a little bit of water, and I'm going to take some black, and I'm going to start with the tree trunk. I'm going to go down the middle, up and down. I'm going to make the tree trunk thicker towards the bottom. Use a little bit more water, and then I'm going to twist and roll and pull the tree roots and the base of the tree out. And then I'm going to start bringing those branches out, one over here, wiggle and twist over here, so on and so on. Now most of these branches are going to be covered up anyways, so don't worry about spending too much time trying to make the perfect looking branches. And then see, I'm just kind of connecting more and more branches. I'm twisting the brush in between my fingers, making sure some of these are a little thicker. Then I'm going to have another one that just comes down here. Just make sure that the tree trunk is a little wider on the bottom. And I've got some thicker looking branches here. Okay, the next color I'm going to take is burnt sienna. I'm going to choose one side of the tree trunk to start bringing in some light. So I'm just going to add it on the left here, lightly. Drag into that wet black paint. If your paint is dry, just do the same thing. This is going to give you some texture to your tree bark. And we'll add a little bit more. The trick is to not overblend. When you brush too many times in the same spot, you're going to end up losing that color, and it's just going to fade off into the black. Without washing my brush off, the next color I'm going to take is yellow ochre. We're going to add this even closer to the left side and just a little less of it. Want to make sure you have the paint on the tip of your brush. Just catch little bits. Okay, I'm going to rinse my brush out, and we're going to go ahead with the mop brush and start coming in with some leaves now. So just take a dry mop brush. This one's a round mop brush, but you can use an angle mop or an oval one as well. It doesn't matter what shape it is. And I'm going to start with some black and some green. Tap to load. So I'm not overloading my brush. And I'm going to start on the top and just add a few light little taps like this. Back and forth, side to side. Leave a few areas and add some more. It's just really effortless with this brush. Add a little bit here, have something kind of in the center. Okay, and then with a clean mop brush, I'm going to take some of the yellow ochre, some white, some green, and mix up a nice olive green shade. I'm going to add a little bit of this partially over that dark layer, the base color. And just tap and tap. To build up the depth in the tree, so we have lighter and darker spots. And then if you want to add a little bit more sap green, bring it over the dark first layer, and you can also bring it slightly over the lightest highlight. But see how it's already starting to dry darker? Then with the leftover paint, you can just gently pull right off the edge of the bottom of the canvas and add a little bit of grass. Light little flicks. Okay, and there you have it, a really quick and easy tutorial on how to paint a tree using a mop brush. I hope you guys enjoyed this one, learned a lot, and have fun painting your trees. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye!